Stop buying the wrong high-end robot vacuum. Seriously. In 2026, the market is flooded with incredible tech, but not all premium cleaners are created equal. You need the one that delivers ultimate cleaning, ultimate convenience, and ultimate value for your hard-earned cash. Today, we're cutting through the noise to crown the undisputed best overall high-end robot vacuum of 2026, and trust me, it's a game-changer that will completely transform how you clean your home. Stick around to find out which one it is, because you might be surprised by what you're missing. Let's dive into the contenders, starting with number 5, and climbing our way to the top. Coming in at number 5, we have the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Now, this isn't the absolute most premium machine on our list, but it punches way above its weight class for its segment of the high-end market. Its best feature is undoubtedly its powerful suction, handling pet hair and debris with impressive efficiency, especially for its more accessible price point within the premium category. It's for the user who wants serious cleaning performance and self-emptying convenience without needing all the bells and whistles of the absolute most expensive robots. However, its honest flaw is that its app experience can sometimes feel a bit clunky, and its mapping, while good, isn't always as consistently precise as some of its competitors. Moving up the ladder, our number 4 pick is the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. The J7 Plus shines brightest with its superior obstacle avoidance technology, especially when it comes to things like cables, socks, and yes, even pet waste. This robot is practically a genius at navigating messy homes without getting stuck or creating a bigger mess. It's absolutely for pet owners and anyone who hates pre-cleaning before their robot goes to work. The big trade-off, its honest flaw, is that while its vacuuming is reliable, it lacks any mopping capabilities whatsoever, and its raw suction power isn't quite on par with some of the more intense cleaners on this list. Now, we're getting into the serious all-in-one contenders. At number 3, we have the DreameL10s Ultra. This machine is a marvel of automation. Its best features include a fully automated base station that can empty dust, refill water, wash the mop pads, and even dry them with hot air. Plus, the L10s Ultra boasts excellent vacuuming power combined with effective dual-rotating mop pads that really scrub your floors. This is perfect for the user who wants a truly hands-off, set-it-and-forget-it cleaning experience, especially if you have both carpets and hard floors. The honest flaw here is that while it's incredibly smart, it can sometimes be a bit louder during operation than some rivals, and the app interface, while functional, could use a bit more polish. Just missing the top spot, our number 2 pick is the Ecovacs Deebot X11 Omni. If you're a tech enthusiast who loves innovative features, this is for you. The X11 Omni stands out with its incredible base station that not only empties and refills water but also washes the mop pads with hot water for a truly hygienic clean, then dries them. It also integrates voice commands and incredibly advanced obstacle avoidance. This robot is designed for those who want every premium feature imaginable and appreciate a sleek, futuristic design. Its honest flaw, however, is its very high price point. You're paying a premium for all that innovation, and sometimes it feels like it might be over-engineered for the average user, leading to occasional software quirks. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The undisputed best overall high-end robot vacuum of 2026 is the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. This robot doesn't just clean, it annihilates dirt and grime. Its best features include the revolutionary dual-roller riser brush system for unparalleled vacuuming on carpets and hard floors, combined with the Vibrorise 2.0 sonic mopping that delivers incredible scrubbing power. All of this is paired with the Roborock Ultra, which handles auto-emptying, auto-washing, auto-drying, and auto-refilling with exceptional reliability. The S8 Pro Ultra offers truly best-in-class LiDAR navigation and reactive AI obstacle avoidance. This robot is for absolutely anyone seeking the pinnacle of automated home cleaning. It offers the perfect balance of raw power, intelligent design, and comprehensive features that make your floors spotless with minimal human intervention. Its honest flaw? The initial investment is significant, placing it firmly in the top tier price-wise, and it's a physically large unit, so make sure you have the space for its comprehensive dock. But for the absolute best overall performance, it simply can't be beaten. If you're ready to upgrade your cleaning game, check the pinned comment and description for the best prices right now on all these incredible robot vacuums.